Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a focused name and niche that guides every decision. This matters for discovery. Create or use a Google account and enable two-step verification to protect your channel. Once done, make basic channel art at recommended dimensions, write a concise description that explains value, and list 3 initial video ideas so you won't stall. Make sure to set channel visibility, privacy defaults, and upload a profile image. These small steps remove friction and let you publish immediately. You now focus on production and discoverability. Record 1 to 3 videos using natural light and clear audio. Framing in 16:9 ensures consistent playback. Edit to improve pace, remove pauses, and add captions so viewers stay engaged. Once edited, craft an optimized title and description with relevant keywords, select 3/8 tags, and create a clear thumbnail that contrasts well at small sizes. Then upload, schedule, or publish, and immediately check analytics to learn what viewers respond to. You finish by launching with a simple promotion plan and a repeatable schedule. Consistency builds momentum. Promote each video on 2 social platforms and spend 10 to 15 minutes replying to new comments to encourage watch time. Once done, review retention in analytics. If views are low, focus on improving the thumbnail, title, and first 15 seconds. Those elements decide clicks and watch time. If uploads fail, clear cache, re-encode the file, and retry. That often resolves processing or playback issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.